TikTok let the Doge out. Why TikTok Doge is everything about 2020 finance in one story.
Let's all get rich. Dogecoin is practically worthless. There are 800 million TikTok users. Invest just $25. Once the stock hits $1, you'll have 10 grand. He says, tell everyone you know.
On our next update, Bitcoin Gold copycat rally just started amid worries of much repeat. Growing belief in Bitcoin following gold higher contract with the chart analysts which show multiple weakness remain. The three most controversial Bitcoin price models and what they predict. Many are highly critical of the three highly popular models used widely by Bitcoin analysts: stock to flow, hyperwave, and Elliott waves. Also on today's update, Central Freeze Ethereum address holding 100K. Stablecoin issuer Central has confirmed they froze the Ethereum address holding $100,000 as the request of the law enforcement. Bitcoin started moving in sync with S&P 500. Volume dropped. Kraken saying June volatility reported. There will be so much more in today's episode. Also, if you're looking for anti-aging moisturizer, anti-inflammation relief, anti-stress cream, the link will be in the description below. Also, if you like to earn Ethereum daily and you like to diversify your income, discover how to earn Ethereum daily guide directly to your Ethereum wallet with this simple and lucrative Ethereum smart contract system. I post a new show every day, so be sure to subscribe to catch the latest show. What's old and new again? What happened when you combine mostly hibernating memecoin with the world's most popular and controversial meme platform and throw in a new generation of day traders that have become convinced that they can drive the price of anything up? The great TikTok Doge pump of 2020, of course.
Gather round, friends, as I tell you the tale of the single most 2020 financial story imaginable. It is the tale of a virtually dead internet meme coin from 2013, resuscitated by an internet meme feeding platform. This is the story of TikTok and Doge. We have a meme coin that no one has discussed seriously in years start to pump because a horde of teenagers who cut their teeth on bankruptcy stocks during a jobless pandemic lockdown decide to start re-meming this dead meme coin through the most powerful meme platform in the world right now.
Well, that was fun. On the next update, Bitcoin is preparing to copy as gold aim for an all-time high. According to an exchange amid fresh warning that correction is due, in a tweet on July 9, Latoken highlighted an increase of correlated relationship between the precious metal and Bitcoin. After XAU topped $1,800 for the first time since 2011 this week, Bitcoin should now follow suit. Gold hit 9-year high, while Bitcoin rally has just started. Bitcoin and gold have been growing correlated in recent time. To summarize, at press time, gold trade at $1,813 and almost 7% in the last month alone. Investors in both safe haven have been broadly shielded from the fallout from the coronavirus this year, with a year-to-date gain of 31.7% for Bitcoin and 18.3%. For gold, Bitcoin put 24-hour gain of 1.1% on Thursday, reaching $9,480, and a surprise upstate that market above $9,300 resistant level, a price ceiling that have been in a place for more than 2 weeks. When all macro crashed in March, Bitcoin soon bounced back, according to one trader. However, current price behavior looks suspiciously similar to the days before the cryptocurrency fell to $3,600. Uploading a chart and analyzing a factual in Bitcoin on Binance, popular Twitter about Nebraskan Gooner spot a repeat of mid-March in the past few days trading. On the next news, there are several well-known Bitcoin price model and theories that are often highly debated and considered controversial. Models like stock to flow, hyperwave, and Elliott wave typically predict large price movement in the medium to long term. The first and most widely acknowledged Bitcoin price model is stock to flow. The S2F model predicts the long-term trend of Bitcoin value based on its scarcity. Since Bitcoin has fixed momentary supply, the biggest value and proposition of dominant cryptocurrency is the scarcity in reducing supply of Bitcoin. The model takes the stock to flow of gold and silver as its benchmark. The term stock to flow to refer to the flow of new supply relative amount of its existing circulating supply. The model believes the value of gold held up over time because it is not possible to newly create all the circulating supply of gold to render the precious metal worthless. Unlike gold and silver, the supply of Bitcoin is fixed, and every halving decreased the rate of supply production. As such, in theory, Bitcoin is even more scarce than gold and silver. The model predicts that the market capitalization of Bitcoin to exceed $1 trillion after the May 2020 halving. The prediction goes in line with the performance of Bitcoin following the previous halving in 2012 and 2016. The Plan B, the creator of the model, explained, the predicted market value for Bitcoin after 2020 halving is $1 trillion, which translates in a Bitcoin price of $55,000. This is quite spectacular. I guess time will tell, and we'll probably know 1 or 2 years after the halving. The main criticism around the stock to flow comes down to two main arguments. First, some say that the assumption that gold value derived solely from scarcity is inaccurate. Second, others think that the use of linear regression might lead to imprecise prediction. Nico, the chief investment of Strix Crypto Edge, wrote, from a theoretical foundation, the model is based on the strong assertion that the USD market capitalization of the monetary, e.g. gold and silver, is derived directly from the rate of new supply. No evidence or research is provided to support this idea, other than the singular data point selected to chart gold and silver market capitalization against Bitcoin trajectory. The Elliott wave theory is widely utilized by technical analysts to determine market cycle. It spots both bearish and bullish cycle. By assuming the market move based on the crown psychology, typically the Elliott wave theory is applied in many bearish scenarios. It presents an 8-part move where the price of the asset declines on a level-by-level basis. The Elliott wave theory is often criticized because it's considered to be highly subjective. It also assumes that the market follows the same crowd psychology across a varying time frame. As such, it frequently leads to extreme price prediction for both bearish and bullish scenarios. The hyperwave theory, popularized within the cryptocurrency market by a well-established trader, Ton Wei, determined as the foundation of a potential bubble in the market. It is a 7-part market cycle that spot a bearish trend reversal, typically at a peak. The hyperwave structure is similar to Elliott wave principle, pertains to bearish scenarios. Centra, the company that issued the stablecoin USDC, has blacklisted an Ethereum address holding $100,000 in USDC in response to a law enforcement request. In the first of its kind, the address had a blacklisted address investor function called June 16, 2020. It is not yet clear that the reason behind the law enforcement request, but Centra's consortium, founded by Psycho and Coinbase, did a release statement confirming the blacklist. Although Circle spokesperson Josh Hawkins said he could not provide any specific about the blacklisting, it appeared the address could be involved in other cryptocurrency theft. In the comment section of a different address, a user claimed the owner of the black address stolen often other token from them. Hello, unknown thief. You are in contact with this Ethereum address, and you stole 10,000 loop ring coin, 750 euros, from my wallet. I am giving you a chance to send the 10,000 loop ring coin back to me. You already know my Ethereum address. If you not do this, I'll report you anywhere with your two known address. Even lightweight, USDC broke 1 billion market cap, making it the second largest stablecoin behind Tether. And Twitter user likening stablecoin to centralized fiat currency suggests what could happen to USDC can happen to any other stablecoins. Another user stated that the DAI could fix the issue of centralized control. However, they will also rebuke with the fact that DAI is backed by USDC and other centrally controlled digital currency. A 31% drop in a month-over-month trading volume in June drove Bitcoin annualized volatility to a 6-month low. According to a recent report by the cryptocurrency exchange Kraken, according to the report, June was the most uneventful month for Bitcoin. Trading since February has a lack of market activity but down trading volume to a 4-month low of 36.6 billion. In the light of a subdued market and low volatility, Bitcoin saw a price drop of 4.4%, the lowest monthly change since August of last year. The report also showed that in reversal of trend from earlier this year, Bitcoin 30 days correlation with the S&P 500 substantially more positive and climbed to 0.65 in the late June. In the same month, Bitcoin 30-day correlation with the gold slipped below the 1-year average and hit a low of negative 0.49%. According to the report, Bitcoin reversal in correlation with the gold and S&P 500 make it behave less like the safe haven asset and more like a traditional finance asset amid a global stock market recovery during June. This have been your boy Ismael. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.